你好 ，Welcome back to New Concept Mandarin. 我是 Julia. 你好吗 ？How are you? Last time we have learned 你好 means hello. We just need to put the yes or no question word 吗 after 你好. Then it becomes a question. Are you good? How are you? 你好吗 If you want to respond, I'm very good. We have learned I, 我 Very good, 很好 There you go, 我很好我很好 I'm very good. In Chinese, a noun plus an adjective is a complete sentence. You do not need the verb to be, 是 as in English. If you have a bad day, hope not, and want to say not good, I'm not good, we can say 不好不好 不 means not or no. It is the same word as in 不对 not correct. For the question 你好吗 you can respond 我很好 or 不好 Can we have the third choice just so-so? Yes, of course. Actually, this is one of our students' favorite phrases 马马虎虎 Literally, it means horse, horse, tiger, tiger. Half horse, half tiger, so it's just a so-so. You can use this phrase everywhere. How is that movie? 马马虎虎 How is your work? 马马虎虎 And how is my class? I hope you are saying 很好 So, 你好吗 I hope you are saying 我很好 Okay, let's review. In last class, we learned the pronunciation and Chinese characters of the numbers from 0 to 9. Let's review one more time. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 You are very good at saying your telephone number now, right? Let's have a look. What are we going to learn in Unit 1, Lesson 2? First, I will give you a brief introduction to the pinyin. Then, we will learn the hand signs of the numbers. And at last, let's learn how to ask for people's telephone numbers. Now, let's talk about what a pinyin is. Please have a look at the Chinese numbers again. These signs above the Chinese characters are called pinyin, which is the romanization of the Chinese characters. As you can see, the writing of pinyin is similar to the English alphabet. What is the pinyin made of? Let's take E as an example. This is the initial, this is the final, and this is the tone. Tones make the Chinese language sound more beautifully. What is a tone? Tones are the changes of the pitch in pronunciation. There are 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese, and they are represented by the 4 tone marks. The first tone is the flat tone. You will pronounce it in a high and steady voice like singing. Do, re, mi. For example, ma, ma. Which numbers carry the first tone? 1 3 7 8 like ma. The second tone is the rising tone. For example, ma, ma, like you are saying yes, what? Which number has this tone? Only 0, 0, like ma. The first tone is easier. Let's talk about it first. The fourth tone is falling tone. For example, ma, ma, like you are very angry and say no, no, no. Numbers that have fourth tone are 2 4 6 like ma. And the third tone is falling, rising tone. You can use your head to help you to pronounce it correctly. For example, ma, ma, similar to saying well, ma. What do we have for the third tone? 五九 like 马 Some words don't have tones. They are neutral. We call it a neutral tone. For example, the word we have learned in the beginning of this lesson, 吗 吗 So, 你好吗 slight tone and neutral tone. So much for the introduction to the pinyin. Now you have learned how to use the pinyin to stand for the numbers, also the Chinese characters. Actually, we have another way to show the numbers, that is our hand signs. For example, how do you make number 8 in your country? Like this. In China, we just need one hand, like this. 八 In fact, we just need one hand for all the numbers from 1 to 9. You can refer to our book, page 1, part A. Let's do it one by one. Please follow me. 1 like this, just one finger. R, a V shape, R. Number 3, 3, okay. 4, 5. How about 6, 6? Like this. We can remember in this way. This stands for 5 and plus E makes 6. So 6. Number 7, we need 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7 put together. 7. And number 8, 8, like the Chinese character of 八, 八. Number 9, 9, a little hook, like you are holding a glass of alcohol. 9, 9. Let's do the hand signs together one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 很好。In the last part of today's class, we are going to learn how to ask for people's telephone number in Chinese. First, let's have a look how to say the statement, my mobile phone number is. In fact, the Chinese sentence order is just the same as that of English. How do you say I in Chinese? 我 and my will be 我的. The means the possession of. 我的. For example, 我的 book, 我的 cell phone. Julia's will be Julia 的. Shanghai's will be 上海的. Then how about your? We know you is 你, so your is 你的, 你的. Mobile phone is 手机, 手机. 手 is hand, 机 is machine, so hand machine, 手机. See, Chinese language is very logical. The words tell much about their meanings. How to pronounce 手机? 手 sounds similar to show. Show me your hands. 手. 机, the pronunciation is like G in Jeep, but has slight difference. First, say number 1 first. 一 and keep your mouth like that, don't move. Try to say Jeep out of it. Let's try together. 一 Jeep, Jeep, 机 很好. So cell phone is 手机, 手机. These are just quick ways to help you to find the pronunciation. Follow me to read it to make the pronunciation perfect. 手机, 手机. So my mobile phone, how do you say it? 我的手机. Numbers, we say 号码, 号码. My mobile phone number will be 我的手机号码. To make it a sentence, we need the verb is. What's that? Yes, to be. 是, 是. No matter it is am, is, are, words or word, we just need to say 是, one word, 是. Chinese verbs don't change forms. Then you are able to say my mobile phone number is. 我的手机号码是 If you want to say telephone number, the Chinese word for telephone is 电话。电话。电 is electricity. 话 is speech or words. We speak through the electricity, so it makes sense. So telephone number is 电话号码。我的电话号码是 So how to change it to a question? In English, you will say, what is your mobile phone number? In Chinese, we do not need to change the word order of the statement. We just need a question word. How many, how much? 多少多少多 means many, much. And 少 means a few or a little. 少少 So 多少 means how many or how much. It is a question word for asking about numbers. My mobile phone number is, we say, 我的手机号码是 To make it a question, remember the rule, the question goes where the answer goes. Your mobile phone number is what? So the sentence is 你的手机号码是多少？你的手机号码是多少？ Okay, let's listen to a dialogue about asking for mobile phone numbers. 你好，我是李华。
你好，我是王丹。
你的手机号码是多少？
我的手机号码是18221961758。你的手机号码是多少？
我的手机号码是15365385072。Let's listen one more time. 你好，我是李华。
你好，我是王丹。
你的手机号码是多少？
我的手机号码是18221961758。你的手机号码是多少？
我的手机号码是15365385072。Now you can go to your Chinese friends or colleagues for practice. Ask for their telephone numbers or mobile phone numbers. Let's think about what we learned today. We learned a brief introduction to the pinyin, which is a romanization of the Chinese characters. And also we learned the 4 tones. Ma, 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 and a neutral tone, ma. Then we learned the hand signs for the numbers. We just need one hand to do the hand signs. And at last, we learned 2 sentences. My mobile phone number is 我的手机号码是 And the question is, your mobile phone number is how many? 你的手机号码是多少？ How are your pronunciation and sentence structures? Please go to our tutorial session for more practice. Also, you can find the exercises, dialogue scripts, and audio lesson for this class on our website. Next time, we are going to learn how to say the days and the dates. See you soon and take care. Bye bye. 再见。